Floor prices play a critical role in optimizing publishers' ad revenue. But with two powerful tools at your disposal, Google Ad Manager and Prebid, how do you choose the right strategy? Stick around as we dive into the differences and discover how you can unlock the full potential of your ad inventory. Floor prices ensure that your ad space isn't undersold. The goal? To encourage maximum competition while securing consistent revenue. Setting them too high risks unsold inventory. Setting them too low undervalues your ad space. Google Ad Manager uses Unified Pricing Rules, or UPRs, to simplify floor pricing. UPR applies consistent minimum prices across all demand sources, including Google Ad Exchange and header bidding partners. UPR's key features are global floors, set a baseline CPM for all sources, custom rules, tailor floors by device, geography, and ad format, and auction uniformity, maintain fairness across demand sources. Static floors provide uniformity, while dynamic floors adapt to demand spikes, giving you the best of both worlds. However, due to a lack of granularity, publishers might inadvertently exclude certain demand sources that could otherwise bid lower but still contribute to incremental revenue. Besides, some buyers may opt out entirely due to the higher floors, leading to unfilled impressions and lower fill rates. Prebid takes floor pricing to a whole new level with granular and dynamic controls. It's built for publishers who want to tailor minimum bids for specific ad units, devices, or even geographic locations. Dynamic floors adjust automatically based on market conditions, ensuring you capture maximum value during peak demand. Let's break it down. GAM offers simplicity and consistency with static and custom rules. Perfect for publishers who want unified control across all demand sources and don't need high granularity. Prebid, on the other hand, thrives in dynamic environments, offering unparalleled flexibility in header bidding scenarios. Choose GAM for baseline protection and simplified management. Use Prebid for dynamic, real-time adjustments that drive competition. Here are the scenarios where GAM floor prices work best. With UPR, GAM allows publishers to standardize minimum prices across both Google and non-Google demand sources. A global publisher, for instance, might use this feature to maintain uniform pricing across multiple regions with ease. Static floor prices are a great choice for publishers focused on predictable income. This is particularly useful for niche or premium content, like when a lifestyle publisher wants to safeguard exclusivity and protect their brand value. GAM's intuitive platform is perfect for publishers without technical expertise. Smaller publishers often rely on it to easily manage their demand sources all in one place. With unified pricing rules, GAM helps publishers build trust with demand partners by providing clear, consistent auction outcomes. This makes it especially appealing for those prioritizing fairness and transparency in their pricing strategy. Prebid is a powerful choice in these situations. Prebid's real-time adjustments help publishers capitalize on sudden traffic surges by optimizing revenue. Say, a news site covering breaking stories can adjust floors dynamically to match increased demand. Prebid allows you to set custom floors by device, region, or even specific bidders, giving you precision in your pricing. For instance, a mobile-first publisher might set higher floors for mobile users where demand is strongest. If you're running a complex header bidding setup, Prebid's module is ideal for enhancing auction competition. For example, a publisher with multiple demand partners uses Prebid to manage a competitive bidding environment. Prebid makes it easy to adapt floor prices based on real-time audience data, ensuring your inventory stays relevant. An example of that could be a video platform that adjusts floors dynamically for high-value premium formats. Prebid offers flexibility outside of Google's ecosystem, making it a great option for publishers who want to ensure fair competition among all bidders. To give an example, publishers prioritizing diverse demand sources can rely on Prebid to level the playing field. Why choose one when you can use both? Many publishers combine GAM's baseline control with Prebid's dynamic flexibility to balance revenue and inventory protection. With the right floor pricing strategy, you can boost your revenue, attract premium buyers, and stay ahead in the competitive world of programmatic advertising. Ready to take your monetization strategy to the next level? Visit our blog for in-depth insights and start maximizing your ad revenue today.